your house. No, joking. This is horse's house. The stables. This is your house. No, this is for your cars. So maybe this one is your house. Or maybe not. That's for the caretakers. So maybe this could be your house. Year was 1906, and there were two gentlemen just wandering around Vienna. They spotted this house. Problem is, we're not in Vienna now, we're in Italy. They totally fell in love with it and said, we want it right now. Just put it on a train and send it back to Italy. These two gentlemen were Mr. Gunther and his friend Josef. He was the bearded gentleman I was talking about earlier. Maybe it reminds you about someone, maybe not. His little nephew was Franz Ferdinand, and I think you all know what happened when he got shot, so this house kind of has a story. So let me introduce you to these 700 square meters. It's a 7-bedroom, 3-bathroom on the middle floor. There's an extra bedroom and bathroom and living room on the upper floor, and ground floor deserves a better presentation. So let me welcome you inside. Some say that to make your family happy, you must have a decent dining area, and this looks right fit for the job. Let me take you to the upper floors. Just picture yourself with your 23 hunting dogs. It's 6 rooms for guests and 1 room for you and your loved one. The whole place has been renovated, but most of the furnishings are original from the early 1900s. And now let me take you to the stables, cause who doesn't own at least 7 horses? Each one of the 7 locations is heated. It's not a ranch in Texas, but it's kind of impressive, ain't it? It's in really, really good shape. You have your 4 acres of land for the horses to play. It's huge. It's fantastic. We're in one of the most renowned places in northern Italy. Price is not crazy. We're 30-something kilometers from Cortina, 15 kilometers from the Austrian border. And that should be enough just to give you the picture. Of course, it doesn't come cheap, but it's really a place which is worth every penny. Even if borders are still closed and we're in the middle of a pandemic, just get in touch. We can have a chat via Skype. We handle loads of villas, but by far this is one of the most impressive. Maybe we could rent it short term for a week or so you can try before you buy it. And for our Italian friends, se volevate la versione italiana di questo video, cercate nei commenti qua sotto, tutto spiegato e raccontato dal mio collega Davide.